Welcome back, guys. This is the 1 month update of our 23-way ceramic spray coatings longevity test. And we've seen a few failures early on with this one. With one we marked failed that may or may not have come back. You be the judge. Some commenters on earlier videos said that maybe ambient air temperature or relative humidity may have something to do with how it reacted that day. From here on out, I will leave that information in the upper left corner for any updates going further. It is the springtime. It is warm and humid here in East Texas as usual, and I hope it really isn't a sign of things to come for the summer. So we're gonna foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse everything off to inspect the hydrophobic properties before drying everything off. As always, this hood is rotated either 90 or 180 degrees after each update, and that will continue throughout the life of the test. So now that we're at the 1 month mark, we will rotate everything on a monthly basis. So this next update will be rotated 180 degrees from how you see it here, and that's how it's stored outside. That's how it's exposed to the sun, rain, wind, hail, everything else that we get here in East Texas, tornadoes. All right, jumping right into it. Sonax ceramic spray still looks incredibly hydrophobic. Griot's 3-in-1, not quite as much, but that's pretty much how it acts all the way up to about the 6 or 8 month mark until it starts to fail around the 1 year mark. New Finish graphene looks very impressive. Adams Advanced Spray, less so. You've heard me talk about Adams sprays in the past. It is a mixed bag. Sometimes I get a good batch where it'll last 6 months or longer. Other days it'll last 60 to 90 days. Wolfgang Uber, doing all right. Not quite as hydrophobic, but it is doing okay. White Diamond Graphene, not looking super great. McKee's Hydro Graphene, looking all right. Again, not quite as hydrophobic as some of the others. Rain-X Graphene, bought that at Walmart. Not looking too good. New Finish Graphene and Rain-X Graphene sold side by side. Definitely a big difference between the two of those. 303 Graphene, not looking too good. Black Rhino Boost, that's the one that we marked failed at the 1 week mark. And you can see that although the water is sticking pretty good to it, it does eventually sheet off, but it was hydrophobic at first. So don't know what's going on there. Shine Armor Graphene, it failed at the 1 week mark. Avalon King Boost, doing all right. Flitz ceramic coating spray, also hanging in there. Just Car ceramic spray wax, I believe I purchased that one on Amazon somewhere around $15. It's doing all right. McKee's 365, sort of about the same as Just Car, maybe even a little less so. Zephyr Pro 30, it's sort of like Black Rhino there. You see how it does stick and it eventually comes off. Soft 99 Trees, rated at 3 months, still doing all right. Made in Japan. TAC System Quartz Max, very hydrophobic. That's been an impressive product so far. Hopefully it keeps going. Very, very hydrophobic. 3D Ceramic Touch, not so much. Not looking super great. G-Technic Marine, rated as a 6-month product, and it's doing okay. It's not hydrophobic like it was on day 1. Starting to wear pretty quickly. Geon Evo Can Coat, very impressive. Sorry, I had to jump to a different cut there, so a bee was trying to attack me. And Glossit Ceramic Detail Spray. We've tested that in the past, expect to get about 60 days out of it. So, and it looks like it's well on its way. About halfway through it, we're doing all right, but it is showing some signs of wear. So there is your update. 1 month, no new failures, but several well on their way. So let me know in the comments if you guys have used any of these, especially if you've layered any of them too. These are all 1-layer products. So let me know. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.
Hey guys, this is Scott Starter. Thank you for watching my dad's videos. Please like the video, consider subscribing, and comment down below. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.